Hi guys, I'm Paul, data science research intern in MobLab, and started from last December. So what I'm working on here is since replication to replicate all the canonical experimental results is very important in economic research. And so since MobLab has a very good data set, and so what I'm doing here is I collect all the data from MobLab, so basically all the data set from all the classroom experiments to analyze all these data and to check whether the results are pretty robust with the results what we have seen in the literature. So that's basically what I'm doing so far. And now what I'm doing now is to just wrap up all the results to try to get a paper. Oh yeah, definitely, because I was a TA in a experimental econ class. So if we can run all the experiments in MobLab, then I can, I can I can I can breathe a lot of more. So yeah, so MobLab can really help no matter the instructors or TA to get the data more quickly and also get more beautiful visualization. So I would definitely encourage instructors to play MobLab.